Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about configure the log shipping. మన ప్రతిభనంతా యూజ్ చేసి పెద్ద కళాఖండం గీసాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, టుడే we are going to discuss about the log shipping configuration. So log shipping configuration we require two things. One is the server one and the server two. And there is an one backup folder and we called as an shared folder because we have to provide the shared access to this folder, and next one is copy folder. One is we are taking backup from the server 1 to this folder, and from here to here the backup will be taken automatically and it restored into the second server. Okay, let's go to this one, and this is the database. I just config to take this one for as an example. And before going to, we have to see the database model, which model it is. If it is in simple recovery model, it won't work for log shipping. It has to be full recovery model. Okay, it is in full recovery model. Let's go. Task ship transactions. It's loading, and I'm going to enable this backup settings. Here is the we have to select the network path to take the backups. Okay, in the local drive, I have created one folder like logship, and I have to give the access and sharing. Here share path I have to give the everyone to everyone and add it, and I will give the permissions to read and write. Okay, click on OK. Okay, it is now. We have to copy this one. Click on OK. This is the one share path. We call as network path. Okay, the network path, and go to here shipping transactions. I have provided the network path here, and deleted word files, and this one configurations 1 hour test. This one every 15 minutes the backup will be taken. Okay, and next go to this one. Okay, and I have not prepared any secondary instance for the log shipping. I'm going to provide the second connect. How to connect connected, and the test database. I have not created any database in this server, so it automatically create one database and it will be automatically restored. Okay, I'm just copying where the folders will be copied, like the backup path will be there isn't one backup copy backup folder required, because from here to here the backups need to be transferred. So I selected the one of the folder like fdrive, created one folder. Is a new, or we can mention like log. I have to provide this path here. We have to. Okay, here I have provided, and log shippings delayed copy files after 72 hours, and we can schedule it. And there is a two things will be there. Restore transaction log. There is a two models, two modes. One is no recovery mode and the standby mode. No recovery mode will be we cannot read the database. If the standby mode, we can read the database. Okay, I just selected standby mode as of now, or we can go with the no recovery mode, or we can go with the standby mode. Okay, and I have not used the monitor server instance. Click on OK, and let's see if everything is goes well. It will be succeed. If anything goes wrong, it will be show as a failed. We have to recheck all the steps. Everything is goes succeed. So see, we can see there is an four jobs was four things, four jobs will be created here, and we can come here and we can see the test database configured and standby and read only mode. And we can see, we can refresh it. How many jobs was created also we can see here. Let's see. Here there is an one job will be created, that is a backup job, and I am starting the backup job. Before we are going to, we have to see in the folder. This is the logship. The test.ba key it was taken, like it was backup completed. and we have to check here copy folder before I am going to run the job. I think it is in standby and the read only mode in tables. Yes, the tables all are copied here. All the jobs are created, test, copy job and the restoration job here. Okay, let's see. In the folder, I thought nothing will be here because we have not copied the full backup and it automatically backed and restored. Now we are run the jobs. We can restore the full backup. Okay. Um, I want to run this job test success. Again, the transaction logs will be copied from here to here. Here I am going to run again the copy job. Before you can see there is no backups here. After the job we can see the backup jobs here. Copy, succeed. After that we are going to restore. It will take some time because it backup need to be copied and need to be succeed, right? It need to be restored. So now we can see here the backup job is created. This is the transactional log job itself only, not the backup job. If it is full backup, need to be restored the full backup. Okay. Task restore. Oh, it is in read only mode. We can read it, not restore recovery mode. We can change the recovery mode here. Test and task. Ship the transaction log. Actually, here we have to restore the backup job with no recovery mode. Okay, I will go with no recovery mode. Okay, okay. Here I have changed. Refresh. You can see. Okay, it will take some time to restore. Before it was, we have changed this one. Configured and I have changed it. Okay, I will go out. I will be create again. Login. Connect. అవుతుంది రా భయ్ అవుతుంది కాస్త టైం బట్టిలో it will take some time to reflect on the server, but all the jobs are succeed. This is the way we have to configure the log shipping. Okay, any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. Please to subscribe.